Hello everyone and welcome back to English Learning Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Hania.
Hello, Hania. Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here with you today. It is a beautiful day for a podcast.
I really can. You seem full of that energy too. What's the secret?
Maybe it's the strong coffee, but truly, I think it's because I know what we're sharing today. It's something so many of our friends have been asking for.
Exactly. For everyone joining us, that feeling you're picking up on is purpose, because today we're not just having a chat. Today, we're solving a very specific problem.
We are. That problem is the gap between knowing some English and actually speaking it with confidence. That feeling of knowing words but your voice hiding when you need it.
So if you've ever thought, I wish I could just feel sure of myself when I speak, then you are in exactly the right place. This session is your blueprint.
Welcome, everyone. Today's mission is clear and powerful. How to speak English confidently in 30 days. Beginner plan. This is your step-by-step guide.
Are you ready to build that confidence, one small, sure step at a time?
Let's begin.
Before we look at the calendar, we must build the strongest foundation, your confident mindset. Confidence doesn't come after you speak fluently. It must walk with you from day one.
The first week is not about long sentences. It's about small, unbreakable wins. Your goal is to prove to yourself, I can do this. We will focus on 3 pillars: sound, name, and feel.
Day 1, 2. The sound of you. Your first mission is to get comfortable with the sound of your own voice speaking English. Your task? Record yourself saying 5 powerful words. Hello, yes, no, thank you, goodbye. Listen to it. Smile. This is your starting point. No judgment, only observation.
Day 3 to 4. Your name and your power. Now claim your space. Practice saying, hello, I am your name. Say it to your mirror. Say it to your pet. Say it with a smile. Then add your first I am feeling. I am a learner. I am strong. You are defining your identity as a confident learner.
Day 5 to 7. Naming your world. For these 3 days, become a labeler. Walk through your home and name 10 objects you see every day. Door, window, chair, phone, water, book, table, light, bag, key. Say them out loud. Touch the object. Connect the word to the thing. This builds a basic personal vocabulary without stress.
By day 7, you will have 1. Heard your voice. 2. Introduced yourself. And 3. Named 10 things in your world. This is a concrete, powerful foundation. You are no longer at 0. You have a territory.
Now we use your foundation to build walls. Week 2 is about creating simple, unshakable routines and your first sentences. Consistency is your new best friend.
The 5-minute morning ritual, every day, days 8 to 14. When you wake up, do these 3 things in English. Greet the day. Good morning. State your name. I am name. State one feeling. I am ready, or I am calm. This ritual programs your brain for English first thing in the day.
Day 8 to 10, the I like power. We expand your I am to I like. This expresses preference and personality. Practice. I like coffee. I like music. I like quiet mornings. Find 5 things you like and say the sentences. I like is a powerful connector to others.
Day 11 to 12, the I have fact. Now talk about possession. Practice. I have a phone. I have a book. I have a dream. This structure is useful for so many conversations. Mix it. I am Hania. I have a coffee. I like it. You are now making mini paragraphs.
Day 13 to 14, the daily question and answer. Practice the most common question in the world, "How are you?" and its answers, "I am good," "I am tired," "I am happy." For 2 days, ask and answer this question with yourself in the mirror. Make it natural. This is your first complete Q&A exchange.
At the end of week 2, you have a daily ritual and 3 key sentence structures. I am, I like, I have. You can answer, how are you? You have built a small but solid house of language.
Week 3 is where confidence meets the outside world. We move from self-talk to micro-interactions. The goal is not long talks, but successful, tiny connections that prove you can communicate.
The philosophy of micro-interactions. A micro-interaction is a communication act with a very low risk of failure. It has a clear start and end. Your goal this week is to collect 7 small wins, 1 for each day.
Your micro-interaction menu. Choose 1 per day. Day 15, say thank you to a shopkeeper. Day 16, say hello to a neighbor or colleague. Day 17, ask for something simple. Water, please, or coffee, please. Day 18, give a compliment in 1 word. Nice or good. Day 19, answer I am good if someone asks how you are. Day 20, say sorry if you bump into someone, even slightly. Day 21, say goodbye or bye when leaving a place.
These are not tests. These are experiments. You're collecting data that says, I did it. The world did not end. I communicated. Each success is a brick in your confidence wall.
Let's practice the most common interaction, buying something. Kamyar, you be the shopkeeper. Hello.
Hello.
Points or gestures. This, please.
Okay, 50 rupees.
Hands over money. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. See? 6 simple lines. A complete, successful transaction. This is a huge victory. You can practice this at home.
The Confidence Diary. This week, write 1 sentence each night. Today, I said blank. This written record is your proof of progress. You are becoming someone who speaks English.
The final week is about consolidating your power and gently expanding your comfort zone. You now have words, sentences, and proof you can interact. Now we make it stronger.
Day 22 to 24, the Shadowing Challenge. For 3 days, spend 5 minutes shadowing Hania or me. Play a short clip from this video, listen, pause, and repeat exactly what we say, copying our tone. This trains pronunciation and rhythm without the pressure of creating your own sentences.
Day 25 to 26, creating your personal introduction kit. Prepare a 3-sentence introduction about yourself. Use what you know. Example, hello, I am name, I am a student, teacher, learner. I like music, books, learning. Practice this until it flows automatically. This is your go-to for any new meeting.
Day 27 to 28, the What did you do practice. Learn to ask and answer 1 past tense question. The question, what did you do today? The answer, I listened to music, I cooked food, I watched a video. Use simple verbs with ed or irregulars like watched, cooked, listened. Practice this exchange with yourself.
Day 29, the review day. Go back to your confidence diary. Read all your victories. Listen to your day 1 recording, then record the same 5 words again. Hear the difference in your confidence. Celebrate how far you have come.
Day 30, the I am confident declaration. Your final task. Look in the mirror and say, hello, I am name. I am an English speaker. I am confident. Mean it. This is not the end of learning. It is the beginning of your confident journey. You have completed the plan.
A 30-day plan is great, but what keeps you confident after that? Anchor habits. These are tiny, non-negotiable daily actions that maintain your level.
Habit 1. The 2-minute morning. Keep your good morning I feel ritual forever. Habit 2. The daily micro-interaction. Make saying thank you or hello in English a part of your daily life. Habit 3. The 5-minute listen. Listen to one English song or a clip from our channel daily, just for exposure.
Now let's troubleshoot some common roadblocks. I forgot a day. This is not failure. This is data. Just continue the next day. The plan is a guide, not a prison. My pronunciation feels wrong. Your goal is being understood, not perfect. Shadowing will improve it slowly. People understand through context. I felt scared to do a micro-interaction. Scale it down. If saying thank you was scary, just make eye contact and smile the first time. Next time, add the word. Break it into smaller wins.
Remember, confidence is a practice, not a gift. You build it by doing the thing you were afraid of in very small steps repeatedly. This plan is designed to give you those small, repeatable steps.
Look at the path you now have, from your first recorded word to introducing yourself to the world. In 30 days, you can transform your relationship with English from fear to familiarity.
You are not just learning a language. You are building a braver version of yourself. Every hello, every thank you is a victory over doubt. Carry that courage into the world.
We believe in this plan because we believe in you. You have the strength to follow it. You have the desire. Now you have the map.
Your 30-day journey starts now. Will you take the first step?
If you are ready to commit to your confidence, please like this video. It tells us you are choosing this path and helps other beginners find this plan.
Subscribe to English Learning Channel and click the bell. We will be here with motivational check-ins and support throughout your journey.
Comment below and type, "My 30-day starts today. I am your name. I am confident." Let's create a community of support. We will cheer for every single one of you.
Your confident voice is waiting. Start today. We believe in you. Goodbye and good luck.